Welcome to Romania's smallest national park. So first, we started in a town called Curtea de Argeș. We stood at Casa Florilor at only $27 a night. The place was beautiful and the host was just such a nice woman. She even made us a great breakfast in the morning time. From there, we arrived to the village of Buila, an entrance point to the national park.
Here at the first site, the Buila Monastery. So we're still at the monastery. I'm trying to actually search for the hiking trail up here. Yeah. Very minimal information, so we're just gonna actually just walk right into the church here. So we made it to this point. Very steep hike, guys, and led us to a great view. All back there, you see the whole mountains. Then if you turn around, we actually see a view of the monastery we were just at a few minutes ago. So yeah, we have to actually keep going. So here, we made it into the cave. Let's take a look. Trying to squeeze through, it's a bit tight. I'm really crouching, guys. I know you can probably barely see what I'm doing. Alright, we're gonna exit the cave now, so I'll see you out there. Hopefully we find like another trail here, because pretty much this one here is over. Okay guys, so what we actually stumbled upon, I cannot actually give you the location of. I was specifically told not to, and I'm sorry that I can't even show you the hike. I can show you bits and pieces of the hike, but not how to get there. So I'm gonna tell you a little more about the spot we're in. So this is a very important church for them. Tomorrow is October 14th, and it is a day of Parascheva, and it's the only day that is 2 days women are allowed to be in this area, today and on Easter. So today we actually lucked out because I have Kiara with me, or she wouldn't be allowed in here. So I'm gonna show you a bit more around. Actually a lot of donkeys in this area. They're the ones who actually bring up the food, the supplies, and all of that. So yeah, it's really different up here. And speaking of dinner, the monks actually invited me to have dinner up here, and so we're gonna do that. Unfortunately, I can't film that for you guys. The little guy keeps bumping me, but I'll tell you guys about it when we're done. And after that, we're actually gonna have to hike back the mountain at night, which I'm a little bit scared of, but hey, I'll see you guys then. Okay guys, it's actually really dark and we're heading back now, so I'll update everything once we get back to the car. In fact, probably when we get back to the hotel, of what happened. We have to actually run out of here. It's sunsetting and we don't want to be caught here late. Okay, so I just got down from the mountain. It was wild night, I'll tell you. And the experience I had up there was unbelievable. It was like no other. The people were so welcoming to me up there. They let me in. They fed me a delicious meal. They even offered for me and Kiara to spend the night and celebrate them with them tomorrow. I really wish I could have, but I have an early start in the morning. But it's crazy to see how other cultures celebrate, how they act, and just how they live. It's amazing. Like, it's so different. Like, you wouldn't think it's like that. But I have about a 2-hour drive home. I'm gonna update you on the hike down. Alright, see ya.
2 hours later.
Okay, so we just got back to the hotel now. It's a little bit after 11 p.m. and let me tell you, the hike we had was pretty bad. Within 30 minutes, it was pitch black. Good thing we had a flashlight in here. We came pretty prepared with that. And then, we was just pro tip, actually. When you're in the woods in the dark, just make a lot of noise, keep talking, make sure you stay close to the person you're with. And the reason why I actually say make a lot of noise is to scare the animals away, make sure no animals approach you. So keep that in mind. But while we was hiking down, both my legs after actually cramped up to the point where I just collapsed right on the floor, and it was bad. I had to have Kiara actually stretch me out, and I was screaming to I told her that it was to make noise for the animals, but it was just the pain, honestly. But it was crazy. Then it took us quite some time to actually get back down. Then the drive, it was about an hour and a half from Corte de Argus. So yeah, now we're back at the hotel, and that's about it. And another thing I actually want to share with you guys is the 24-hour food here in Romania is shawarma. So let me just show you that, guys, how good this looks. Everything in this restaurant really, not restaurant, but town closes pretty early, especially on a Sunday, but shawarma is always there for you here. And that's all I have to say for you. So I'll see you next time. Stay off the beaten path. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to leave a like or comment below and subscribe for future videos. For more content, follow both our Instagram accounts below.